Because 2020 budget of nurses and midwifer, almost last year December, any this year January. I for the past 10-11 months. Not even a kubu. Once in the brother, and we are struggling. We are organizing we are coming to plead with the government. They said they should find any ways and means possible.
How has it affected your life?
In a whole lot of ways, especially one, my hair. Me being a lady, I'll have to take care of my hair once in a while. It's can't be any it is a mini makocha.
There's no boyfriend.
By no way. By no way. And a bear and a crown on how do I feed myself? How do I pay my bills? If you're afraid to December, I'm a renter, or to me, I make what I me friend, me quit my podcast to my quadjuma. It's a driver and me for day in Tianica. And then I'm in Tianica. We are struggling. Just say, Yana Kasana, we are health professionals. We are preaching balanced diet. Oh, eat well, eat fruits. They, how many me eating once a day? Now, man, me sure that and
go posting 1 year near Yenchiamica. Midnight time, Crabesu January, me time Yenchiamica, me time this one, men for that here. Yes, Ragana buying. Next is here, Nipa. You should show empathy and sympathy. I don't believe so. Be Juma. That's a minute, yeah. Madam Asumesi, now won't fee. Who wants a common ready any brand ever. Nanasina Kakasebi was the year less in you more than less in 1 year. Yama, Menomia Papa, some madama. I did any dear. Well, I want you so a candy breast. So, yes, sir, I buy. What you say, can you want to now see a clearance and I aspire? It was the same as by clearance. And I am pro for be at your mocha. Yes, Rabbi. Sir Clarence now aspire. Yeah, I can't want me shine. Or revoke you. Near Popedjuman and Adam, Midamas. Government is not ready to pay us our salaries. They should rather revoke our appointments so that we go home and then find something better to do. Because we can't be working on empty stomach. How do you expect me to reassure a client on an empty stomach? Where is the love to work? We can't work diligently when we are hungry. So we are pleading on the government. And then I want to give an advice to all of us. I do not want to politicize anything, but then there is this thing circulating. The moment it's about a nurse or a teacher, then you hear one part saying, Nyamine Chiayeka. All those of you saying Nyamine Chiayeka, congratulations to you, thank you. Listen to this scenario. Yes, starting school 2017. Mufam won't share your parents' issues. Imagine, since 2017, till now, as I speak right now, the NSS, Yanchiao. Mimi area, me and Pikachu me say because of Sikari. Me and Pikachu me say me to aba. I should go and tell my colleagues I am to enjoy.
Really?
At someone, yes. Which MP? I can mention his name.
Yeah, which
when I was and stop watching. Back to my MP.
He told you that?
Yes, he told me. He told me that. He told me that. Says Sikari ma. That's the end to aba. Yen to enjoy. Please.
It is a mini makocha. By no way. By no way. And a bear and a crown on a crossing. How do I feed myself? How do I pay my bills? If you're afraid to December, I'm a renter. Or to me, I make what I hear. Me friend, me quit my podcast to my quadjuma. It's a driver and me for day in Tianica. And then I'm in Tianica. We are struggling. Just say, Yana Kasana, we are health professionals. We are preaching balanced diet. Oh, eat well, eat fruits. They, how many me eating once a day? Now, man, me sure that there. And yeah, what education am I giving my clients?
Have you engaged government enough?
We have, uncountable. And the reasons they are giving us is 1, clearance, 2, ghost names. Clearance, since we are not auditing your colleagues. The same clearance auditing your mocha. So what do you mean by the clearance has expired? And a ghost names here working. Ghost names here, what system are we putting in place? And I was saying, you have to figure out some more they are no longer in the system. So are you trying to tell me that what system that we're putting in place is not working? If your system is not working, why are you blaming me? Man, what do I have to do with ghost names? I'm not the one in charge of clearing the ghost names. So why are you punishing me if your system is not working well for me? Yeah.
We are not machines. We are not robots. We are human beings. The government should pay us. Giving machines, they fool them. How much more human beings? They should pay us. In fact, we are suffering. We are suffering. The government should pay us. Hunger is killing us. When are they going to pay us? Before the money will come, we are all sick. Are we going to use the same money to pay for our medical bills? Please, the government should listen to us and pay us. They should pay us now.
Pay us now. Want our
Salary.
Pay us now. We are hungry. We are hungry. Want our money. Pay us now. 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 Pay us now.
Mahama by was the hospitals, region hospitals I can say, because I'm a bar, and yet, and baby. Honorable callings down of why you never be me free hand so. If I say, bridge, I want to know, but you never be pray, wash a train plan, who because a higher village, out in the streets now. I am never be pray. Dear, whenever nurses for no, whenever you're cross for your sin, a feed, dear, break the ends. A feed, dear, let's say, break the ends. Yes, simple. A feed, let's say, break the ends. Damn, and the airport. Let's say, a feed, dear, break the ends. And that's what say, make a challenge say, a feed, dear, yeah, that's it for. Give up swamano.
Papa, Mamu ni atemu. Na yedu ma ye corner sin school no. Ye ni me.
Live on Union 95.1 FM, we are looking at a year. The nurses almost strike on Marco, and then the life in the Minhudia Menkakra. Yes, the ordinary nurse no, the life not the same. Or can you more muhu? I mean, the sense that they go through are perhaps as young, we don't really appreciate it. But what I will say is that we do appreciate what you do. And so we they are different. 95.1. And so the appreciation might come in different forms. But some of us and most of Ghanaians do appreciate what the nurses do. But there is an issue. Nobody can say their nurses for a demand in any fair. Because any fair and government and signing and agreeing to.
Yeah.
So government has agreed.
Yeah.
Then now the bone of contention has to do with implementation.
Yeah.
Yeah, by year. Before I call implementation, because even engagement on, I still want to know more. Apart from their working minimum, so experience baby.
Yeah.
Because normally, and then baby you post your more you could catch him, but those days no, you call villages near the end. How is life? I mean, life in those areas for next areas.
As someone working into me after Central University in 2017, I got very interested in research. A lot interested, and my research was not academic.
Okay.
Mine was, well, me call GIG kakra, ekosia PR, advertising
Okay.
and marketing. And you know, at the time, no na me wo Ridge Hospital emergency. And me who say, me colleagues are me new no, they were burning out like it was not funny. So me sebi me kai bi mu yawo, but there were times that some of our colleagues had breast cancer. Ebi mu obi o duty ni a friend say ni papa ka baby e was santime. Oh, it was torturing us. Now there na me kura kasa me papa so na kwa so no yare na me tenkran hwe obi die na me papa nso sunyane. Oh, it was too bad. And you know, me ne a doctor for paying your emergency. So Dr. Watson any painful binom eka yobum said they bit me aye kra. And that was what my research idea started coming in. Then they bit me aye for yourself. And this time wasn't for just nurses and midwives, but was for the entire emergency team.
Okay. Then
they bit me aye kra me ni aje. Na ya ye wo krom mpo ni aye burn out. Na the work kra se wo nya internet. You wo dey kra there. Say now we have a lot of skills on the internet. You could go, you could browse and have fun. Yes, exactly. Some of us were so depressed, so tired. BPs were escalating. Like as we speak now, we have a nurse who had just died of kidney failure. We could not transplant. She died. And the father, who was a very sick Muslim man, had to bury the bar where we used to go went to manage the first salary. See, I can't imagine my colleagues in the village. And see, one the infant say, oh yeah, my colleague Krana Sebi, won't found poor a beer, some of us can push for you to come to these state-of-the-art hospitals. What about those social media? You see them, they are walking through dirty galamsey water to go and dispense healthcare. Now let's forget about that scenario. Now infants wako collapse when swanaba. When some of us, our kids are so tiny. Say, into so came. I remember this incident. Now superintendent Ian, now Trata so now I caught 2 villages ahead of her. Now I logistics to come and work in her village. See, my dear brother, I have seen one of our nurses died in the northern region with cancer of the liver, and I'm still in touch with the wife. Nemano nabako 2 years, nabako 1.5. As at now, I'm not saying I'm better, but she writes to our NGO and we try and do what we could do for her. But can you imagine what these people are going through? What is the source of entertainment in a village where there is no internet? What is the relief? What is the who brofo
life? Again, sustaining the life.
Some of them there is no electricity. Some of them bakubi se obe sun of the whole range. 95.1. Yeah, they call Upper West, like far away. But the husband is here. There bill the so onye log. Inti how is she maintaining her marriage in her attempt to give to humanity? I'm a pastor's daughter. I know the implications of what these are, but I serve a God who also bent Sodom and Gomorrah when he was angry. So please don't try and say I'm sorry, but some people say they are not on strike. And you know that group, they can take care of those people. But for some of us who have nursed patients with colleagues who have lost their husbands, who have lost their wives, who have lost their parents, who themselves were patient and have died.
FM 95.1.
We've seen it all. I have seen it all. Currently, we have retired nurses who come to the hospital and join queues with the same patient, no system, no stratified system to take care of retired health workers and to think about retired nurses and midwives. I mean, what? I me buy area. Me ana me Tommy Nyoma. By the grace of God, some facilities will refund some percentage to you. What about those facilities that cannot? Let's talk about the peripheral hospitals. When you accident, oh, that is the reality. Just say, when you want to say, we improve healthcare. Number one. And we're pushing our Kosher village be number 2. And we're far away from the family number 3. Not just what say, nursing, one person and some one say, one co school no now be nursing tino. What say more like you want to us to like your mental state in Ankasan, you degrade. And I can say, no man, you know, or Makikano. The truth of the matter is that, and you're in a bobia ho, me patcho, and yet me lecture. Me lecture and you know, book of the one mammy ho. Sebi nyado sebi ebru ma no de sumina so me bibi enwi na mabeji funeral allowance na de ni papa wu yeswe na de ni kuna wu e na de onu ankasa so wu ani kunu su se na me yiri be adwuma na nsuo fa no bi ye akwala bi a June 4 bi nsuo fa ni 10 years ago ya na oba night duty ye then ye ma ne papa what about this girl onya kidney failure no what duty what I say into almost way papa bi a what nurse ne ba ne only child. Now we woo in the line of duty. And for pania war one crofo, or be kutani HIV or their bill be soon HIV. Me one nurse be a mobile good them, a bimusun to me who are the Amos way. Me can't so be in your video, but me that may come and talk quite to me Kumobi. But what I say, and that's why I keep telling my colleagues that when it comes to the communication of this unionized stuff, I am going to speak for me. The reality of the day-to-day happenings in the ordinary Ghanaian nurse and midwife. And I don't speak for the union because I'm not an executive of the union. But I know that the union is speaking for us.